In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to car services in Waze. We'll be working inside Waze to add a car service location on the map, and I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so it's easy to follow along. To begin, go to Waze and open the live map. This is where you can access the map interface before moving into editing tools. Once you're on the live map, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click the pencil icon. This opens the editing area where you can create or update map details. After that, shift your attention to the left-hand side panel. This is where the creation tools appear. From there, click the plus sign button to add something new to the map. When the menu opens, choose place. This tells Waze that you want to add a location or point of interest rather than edit a road or another map element. Next, click on car service. This category helps define the type of place you're adding, which is important because it affects how the location is labeled and found by users. After selecting car service, choose the specific service type. For example, you might select gas station if that's the kind of place you want to add. Choosing the correct type matters because it helps drivers quickly understand what service is available there. Now move your cursor over the map and locate the exact area where you want to place the gas station or car service. Take a moment here to position it carefully. A precise placement makes the map more useful and improves navigation accuracy for other Waze users. Once you've found the right spot, click directly on the map where the location should go. After placing it, go back to the panel on the left-hand side. This is where you'll enter the details for the place you just created. Add the address, the name, any alternative names, and a description. These fields help identify the location clearly and make it easier for drivers to recognize it when searching in Waze. As you fill everything in, make sure the information is accurate and complete. Clear naming and a correct address can make a big difference in helping people reach the right destination without confusion. If there are alternative names commonly used for the location, adding those can also improve search results. And that's the process for adding car services in Waze. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to place and describe the location properly within the editor.